Are you looking for a portable folding treadmill? In this video, I will show you the 5 best folding treadmill for small space, based on my personal opinion and hours of research. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. The 5th product on the list is the FYC Foldable Treadmill 2.5 HP. The folding treadmill can be folded vertically at 90 degrees and placed against the wall, which saves space and is very suitable for small apartment and fast folding design with convenient transportation wheels to move around without hassle. It has built-in wheels to make it easier to move from one room to another. With tablet PC/phone holder, you can enjoy the fun of running at home. 5 minutes to assemble it. Open the box, lift up the control panel, tighten the screws with accessory tools, done. 12 programs, fits all your family. The large running belt features 15.7 in x 41.3 in. Wider belt gives your feet a comfortable area, and no worry of drifting off the side of the machine when doing exercising. The 4th product on the list is the FYC Foldable Treadmill. FYC treadmill frame is made of high quality and durable steel, which guarantee the stable operation of the machine. The treadmill adjustable speed is 0.5 to 7.5 miles per hour and max weight of the user is 220 pounds. 12 preset programs offer unmatched variety for your workouts. With LCD displays time, distance, speed, calories burned and pulse. You can choose the best plan to suit your need and trace your heart rate changes to alter different plans. This motorized treadmill have 3 incline angles for running. If you want to increase the degree, you can easily switch by adjusting the base, which can reduce the damage to the knee joint and consume more calories during your exercise. The 3rd product on the list is the BEST Portable Foldable Treadmill. Motorized slim folding treadmill with upgraded smooth and quiet motor, combined with 5-layer shock absorption cushioned and anti-slip deck. You can enjoy running and walking training without disturbing your neighbors or family members, running upstairs and quiet downstairs. 85% are pre-installed and can be installed within 15 minutes. 90 degrees foldable compact treadmill can stand in the room corner or be placed under the desk, which is the perfect manual folding treadmill for small spaces. The transport wheels make the lightweight portable treadmill more convenient to move and store. The LCD display can display heart rate, calories, time, and mileage. Smart Exercise Treadmill has built-in 2 high-performance speakers, a mobile phone, and a bottle holder. Runners and walkers can watch TV, listen to music or chat, fully enjoy the exercise, while losing weight. Good for multiple running styles, good for seniors, safe and durable for daily home running exercise. The 2nd product on the list is the Sunny SFT 1407M. This affordable treadmill will help you start your fitness journey. Walking can significantly improve mental and physical health. The compact design of the treadmill will get you into shape regardless of home size. This compact, lightweight treadmill is excellent for small spaces. Running surface. The treadmill is durable and can withstand power walking or light jogging. Track fitness progress on the easy-to-read digital monitor. Treadmill monitor displays time, speed, distance, calories. Space-saving, treadmill machine requires no electric outlet needed and remains low maintenance. Easy folding functionality and transportation wheels allow easy mobility and storage. The 1st product on the list is the Batoro Foldable Treadmill. No tools are needed. Just 2 simple steps. Turn the height adjustment lock to the unlock position, press down the handlebar. It can be quickly and easily folded in 3 seconds, even children can operate it easily. The new upgraded dual float car level shock absorber with 14 shock absorption points make the rebounding feeling during running is moderate and the cushioning is more evenly. Keep your knee and feet from injury. Make your running exercise healthy and safer. Thanks for watching this video. Please leave a like if this helped you out, and if you have any questions please leave them in the comments below. Subscribe for more content, and I hope to see you next time.